Samsung's Summer Unpacked event is shaping up to be one of its biggest foldable launches yet, and the newest leak adds a detail fans have been demanding for years: faster charging on the Galaxy Z Fold line. Multiple reports already suggest Samsung is preparing 3 foldables for the event, and unlike last year, the lineup is expected to expand with a brand new, wider fold model. That means we're likely getting 3 headline devices: the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, and the Galaxy Z Flip 8. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 charging speed has already surfaced through certification, but now the spotlight shifts to Samsung's premium foldable. Fresh listings on China's 3C certification database have reportedly revealed the wired charging speeds for both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. If the details are accurate, it's a major step forward. Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold spotted on 3C certification. New Samsung model numbers have appeared in China's 3C database, SMF9710 and SMF9760, based on Samsung's typical naming patterns. These are widely believed to be the Chinese variants of the upcoming foldables. Most likely, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 certifications, like 3C, don't usually confirm every feature, but they are a reliable way to uncover charging standards and power limits ahead of launch. And this time, the numbers are exactly what Fold fans want to hear. Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Wide Fold could finally get 45W fast charging, according to the 3C listings. Both devices support charging up to 15 volts and 3A, and that points to a maximum of 45W wired fast charging. That would be a significant upgrade for Samsung's Fold lineup, especially for users who have been stuck with slower charging speeds while competitors pushed faster standards. If Samsung truly enables 45W charging on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold, it would mark a clear improvement in day-to-day usability, less time on the charger, faster top-ups, and more convenience for power users. Wired charging only, not wireless it? Important to be clear about what this leak likely means. The 3C certification typically lists wired charging specifications, not wireless charging. So while the leak strongly hints at a 45W wired charging ceiling, it doesn't confirm anything about wireless charging upgrades. Still, for many buyers, wired speed is the real priority, especially for large foldables with big screens and heavy battery usage. How this compares to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 8. This leak becomes even more interesting when you compare it to the previous generation, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 reportedly topped out at 25W wired charging, which has been a common frustration for users paying premium prices for flagship foldables. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 has already been shown on 3C with 25W charging, which suggests Samsung is keeping the Flip line consistent rather than pushing it higher this year. But for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the rumored Galaxy Z Wide Fold, the jump from 25W to 45W would be a noticeable and meaningful upgrade, especially for the Fold's larger battery demands and productivity-focused audience. One big unpacked event with Samsung expected to launch 3 foldables at once. The strategy seems clear: offer more choice, cover more price points, and give buyers a reason to upgrade. The rumored wider fold model is especially important because it suggests Samsung is responding to user feedback. People want a fold that feels less narrow when closed and more like a normal phone in daily use. If Samsung pairs that wider design with faster 45W charging, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold could instantly become one of the most talked about foldables of the year pre-launch. Sign-ups and promotions already start as anticipation builds. Early sign-ups for Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Wide Fold, and Galaxy Z Flip 8 promotions are already opening in some regions. These early campaigns typically lead to pre-order bonuses, trade-in boosts, and bundled gifts, especially during unpacked season. Samsung often uses these sign-up programs to lock in early demand, and buyers who register early usually get the first alerts for pre-order dates, launch details, and limited-time rewards. What to expect next? Certification leaks like this usually show up when devices are getting close to launch, which lines up perfectly with Samsung's Summer Unpacked timeline. If the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Wide Fold really do support for 5W wired fast charging, the next big questions are, will Samsung include a compatible charger in the box? Will 5W charging be enabled worldwide or limited by region? And how will battery capacity and efficiency improve alongside the faster speeds? Until Samsung makes it official. This remains a leak, but it's the kind of leak that could signal one of the most user-friendly fold upgrades in years.